I have a realization about psychological tone of our minds. Ang tinutukoy ko dito ay kung paano natutono yung pananaw natin base sa kung ano yung prompt or kung anong klaseng personalidad or anong psychic response yung observe natin sa surrounding natin. I'm talking about na pag pinrompt mo yung mind mo na mag-isip sa different way. Kunyari, bilang isang tao na passionate or isang tao na seductive, elegant. We prompting the clear vision in our minds na nagpo-prompt tayo na paano ba umarte bilang ganon? Paano ba maging kapanipaniwalang ganong karakter na yun? And then, you need to learn from their habits, kung ano yung lifestyle na meron sila, kung bakit ganun yung pananaw nila. Kailan mo ma-expose sa ganong psychological. And then, your psychology, matotone yun. And I'm talking na, it's what tone your mind. And pag natone mo na yung mind mo dun, magiging ikaw na yon. Pero kung undecided sa psychological mind mo, na nag-stay ka lang sa kung saan ka mag-evolve ka bilang gantong type na tao at ganito yung pang pananaw sa buhay. Kung maging unique ka na version mo, well, ikaw rin yan. Pero much better na you you choose what you believe in. You choose your tune. Piliin mo dapat kung paano mo tinutono yung mind mo, kung saan mo in-expose yung mind mo sa kung anong dapat pananaw mo sa buhay bilang karakter mo, bilang defined at bilang kapinipiniwala na persona mo. I'm just talking about character development, and then yung pag-tone mo. The word tone kasi means ba ring settings na tinotone mo na mataas yung cuteness level, mababa yung kindness. Parang itotono mo talaga yung mind mo sa different tone at vibe na ang resulta completely na character mo. Completely na matatratong ikaw yung toned na version mo. Well, this maybe you look sleepy a little, sound a little uninterested on things, or either you sound book interested person, or you sound very happy. It gives different psychological vibe to other persons. Just okay na may iba-ibang vibe at mga pananaw tong mga tao. And then, it's up to you to predict kung paano sila nag-iisip at kung paano nila nakikita yung mundo. But, for me, well, you cannot do things, but instead, make them open up kung ano ba talaga yung pananaw nila sa mundo. Kasi hindi mo malalaman yung by just predicting. Malay mo, pinipredict mo, pero hindi naman yun yung gusto niyang ipalabas o hindi niya naman gusto makita siya sa ganong paraan. Siyempre, for accuracy, kailangan mo alamin kung ano ba talagang inaarte niya, ano ba talagang tingin niya sa sarili niya. And then, pero kung super defined naman at undeniable na umaarte siya sa ganong way, well, it's maybe entertainment. They just want to look entertaining. So, yun lang. Salamat sa panonood. Yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin about toning your mind, toning your reality, and toning your lifestyle and your personality. Basically, tuning your psychological mind and you have the ownership to change the settings of it at well. Knowing that, hope I give you idea na try to explore the better version of you. So yan lang, bye and see ya sa susunod na hangout natin. So bye.